There's an AI certification that pays $141,000 to $221,000 a year. It requires zero coding, and almost nobody on this platform is talking about it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is before this video is over. It's the last one on my list, and it is the highest score that I'm giving out today. But to understand why it matters, you need to see the whole landscape first, because the AI job market just split in two. Over the last year, total job postings in this country went up about 6%, basically flat. But postings that mention AI, up more than 130%. The whole market is standing still while one corner of it explodes. And the people stepping into that corner are getting paid 56% more than the person sitting right next to them, doing nearly the same job. So I went digging, and I pulled the AI credentials that are quietly becoming worth more than most degrees. Most of them are free, and I'm scoring every single one out of 10. And the one that I'd open with, the no-code cert paying into the low six figures, that's number 6. So stick around. Now, real quick, if you want to stay ahead of where the AI job market is going before your industry catches on, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That's the entire reason this channel exists. Now, quick honesty up front, because I'm going to rate these like I actually used them. First thing you need to know, on this list, some of these are professional certifications, things like AI governance or Google Cloud, where you sit in a proctored exam and it carries real weight with a hiring manager. And some are completion certificates. You finish a university course, you get a certificate that proves you did the work. Those are not the same thing, and I'm not going to pretend that they are. Both matter for different reasons, and I'm going to tell you which is which as we go. The second thing, the salary numbers I am about to throw around are real market data. They are not a promise. Nobody is handing you a check for finishing a course. What these do is open the door. Walking through it is on you. And third, some of these I give a 9. One of them I'm danging real hard, even though everyone praises it. And I'll tell you why when we get there. Now, here's the thing that nobody tells you. The internet is drowning in free courses, but only about 6% of AI engineering job postings actually ask for a credential. So why bother? Because a course says you watch something? Well, a credential says you can do the work under pressure. And when a posting does name one, it names specific ones. Those are the ones that we are going to be covering today. Number 1, and this one's a completion certificate. I'm calling that out straight. Harvard's CS50, Introduction to AI with Python. And it's free on edX. Yes, free. This is the actual Harvard course, the same material people pay a fortune to sit near in Cambridge, and you can take it from your couch for nothing. It runs about 7 weeks, and it's fully self-paced, so do it in 1 week or stretch it over a year. It's up to you. You will learn the real foundations, search algorithms, machine learning, reinforcement learning, how to actually use AI inside Python programs. And here's what I like most about it. Most people learn a tool and they have no idea what's underneath it. The tool changes and they're lost. This course gives you the foundation underneath. So when ChatGPT becomes whatever it becomes next, you still understand what's going on. And look, if Harvard's a little heavy for you, Google and Microsoft both put out genuinely good free beginner AI courses too, and links are down below. But putting Harvard on your resume for $0, that's hard to beat. Easy. 9 out of 10. Now, here's the catch with everything I just said, and I want to be straight up with you guys because I've lived this. Free self-paced courses have a graveyard level completion rate. You sign up, you do week 1, life happens, and then the tab sits open for 6 months. I can't self-study with no structure. I had to go sit in a classroom. I need a plan. I need a deadline. I need something tracking me, or it doesn't get done. And a lot of you are exactly the same. That's not a flaw. It's just how most people are wired. So I want to step outside the ranking for a quick second because this isn't a numbered cert on my list. It's the structured path for people who know they won't finish a free course alone. In full transparency, this video is sponsored by DataCamp, which I'm genuinely glad about, because they are already where I'd send most of you to start. If you follow the Daily Climb, you know I'm in this stuff every single morning, researching AI tools, building agents, and DataCamp is part of my own learning stack. What I like is that it isn't a video library you passively watch. It's interactive coding, real projects, and proctored certifications at the end. That's the structure I was just talking about. It's what gets you to actually finish. Start with their AI Fundamentals certification, about 10 hours, no prerequisites, no coding. And it takes you from machine learning basics through generative AI and large language models, all the way to AI ethics, something credible on your resume by Monday. And learners can start for free, which fits everything this video is about. The links are at the very top of the description. Use those to check it out and to support the show. I'm not scoring this one because it's the sponsor and that wouldn't be fair to the rest of the list, but it's the on-ramp that I'd actually point most people to. Okay, now back to the ranking. Now, number 2 for the developers watching. And yes, this is also DataCamp, but I'm scoring it on its own merits because it's a different beast than the fundamentals course. The AI Engineer for Developers Associate. You go into prompt engineering, large language models, building chatbots, wiring AI into real software through APIs. And the part that makes it count is the practical exam. You complete 3 real Python tasks. You cannot fake your way through that. That's the entry ramp to AI engineer roles, starting around $103,000 to $145,000 a year. Now, there's one thing. You do need basic Python first, so it's not a true beginner certification. I give this one an 8 out of 10. Now, quick pause, because before we go further up this list, you need to know what employers are actually buying. It comes down to 4 things. 1, can you spot where AI actually helps? 2, can you judge the risks? Because the risks are real and they are growing every single day. And 3, do you understand the tech well enough to pick the right tool? And 4, for the technical folks, can you actually build the tools, or can you actually build it? Now, here's the key. Most jobs only need the first 2. So keep that in mind, because the next few certifications are for people going deep, and not everyone needs to go deep. Number 3 is the gold standard for senior roles, the Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer. This one's paid $200 for the exam, and I'll be honest with you, it is not a beginner play. They recommend 3 years of experience, and it's 100+ hours of prep. But it's one of the few certifications that actually shows up by the name in real job postings. And machine learning engineers at Google put a median total compensation around $287,000 a year. And if you got experience, this is the one that moves you into the top brackets. I give this one an 8 out of 10, and it'll be higher if it were beginner friendly. Number 4 is one almost no other video has ever mentioned yet because it's brand new. The AWS Certified Machine Learning Engineer Associate. AWS runs roughly 1/3 of the cloud on Earth. So this proves you can ship machine learning in production where the jobs actually live. And Amazon's own machine learning engineers sit around a $265,000 median total compensation. And being early on a credential like this, before everyone floods it, that's exactly the edge that this channel is all about. I give this one an 8 out of 10. Number 5 is the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate on Coursera. And this is the one that everybody hypes, that I'm rating lower than you'd expect. It's the deepest program here, 13 courses, 4 to 6 months, ending in 2 real portfolio projects in an image classifier in a generative AI app that you actually build. For a career switcher who finishes it, it's gold. But that's the problem. It is hard. It needs Python and some math going in. And that 4-month estimate is optimistic if you are starting code. Most people will not finish this as their first move. So start with the beginner certifications and come back to this one. I give this one a 7 out of 10. It is a great certification, no doubt about it, but wrong starting line for most of you. Now, real quick before the last one, if your target employer runs on Microsoft, the Azure AI Engineer certification, the AI-02, is worth taking a look at. It is $165 and free annual renewal, 6 to 8 weeks to finish, and it is a solid enterprise option. I just wouldn't make it your first certification, and the link is going to be below in the description. And number 6, the one I opened this whole video with, the highest score that I'm giving out today, the IAPP AI Governance Professional. No coding, absolutely none. And here's why it's exploding. AI regulation is landing fast. The EU AI Act, the corporate governance mandates, and companies are scrambling for people who understand the rules, not the code. There were over 3,500 of these jobs open on Indeed just in January, and certified people earn $141,000 to $221,000 a year. If you are in law, compliance, policy, HR, or risk, and you thought this whole AI way wasn't for you, this is your door, and barely anyone is talking about it. I give this one a 9 out of 10, and it is the most underrated credential in this entire space, and the reason that I made this video. Now here's what to actually do, because you do not need all of these. Just stack 3 and start free this weekend. The Harvard CS50 or the DataCamp fundamentals path that I mentioned. Then pick one paid cert based on where you are headed. A cloud cert if you are technical, the IAPP AIGP if you are not. That's a path to the $100,000 to $265,000 salary range with no master's degree. But remember what I told you at the start, the certs open the door. Finishing them is where almost everyone falls off. That's the whole reason that I built the CA90, my 90-day accelerator. The free resources show you what to do. The CA90 is me making sure you actually do it. The structure and the accountability. That's the difference between a tab that you open and a credential on your resume. Linked below if you want in. Now go back to the number from the start. AI postings up 130% while everyone else stands still. That gap is not staying open forever. The people who move now are the ones who get paid. Grab my free 2026 career protection playbook at the link in the description. It sequences this whole thing for you. And the DataCamp links are right at the top. And I found 5 more AI certs for beginners that lead straight to high salaries, ones that didn't even make this list, but honestly probably should have. And they're in this next video right here.